All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, folks. Let's jump into this courtroom drama. The judge calls the session to order, and Mr. Daniels steps forward to present his case. He's voluntarily putting himself on child support, which is already unusual. The tension in the room is noticeable as the judge acknowledges him and gets ready to hear his story. Interestingly, the child's mother didn't even show up, raising questions about her involvement. This case isn't just about money, it's about a father stepping up to make sure his child is properly cared for. The mother's absence adds even more complexity, making this a case worth paying attention to. Let's see how it all unfolds and what the judge decides.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay.
Mr. Daniels explains why he's in court. He wants to make sure his child is financially supported because he feels the mother isn't meeting her responsibilities. He points out that she didn't even come to court, which says a lot about her level of commitment. The judge digs deeper, asking about their relationship history. Mr. Daniels shares that they were never married, and although he tried to do the right thing, the mother chose a different path. He's clearly frustrated, but determined to do what's best for his son. The judge listens carefully, but you can feel the tension. This is a father fighting for his child's future, and his dedication is clear. Filing for child support himself shows just how committed he is, even when facing conflict.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
The judge shifts the focus to the financial side of things, asking Mr. Daniels about his income and whether he provides health insurance for his child. Mr. Daniels admits he's not making much money right now. He's a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge explains that child support is calculated based on income, regardless of job status. She notes that because Mr. Daniels provides health insurance, it slightly lowers the amount he has to pay. The financial breakdown is clear and straightforward. giving a good look at how the system works. It's a valuable lesson for anyone watching. Child support is about meeting the child's needs, not the parent's personal situations. The judge's no-nonsense approach ensures fairness and transparency, leaving no room for confusion.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge delivers her final ruling. Mr. Daniels' child support is set at $871.46 per month, based on his income and the fact he provides health insurance. She makes it clear this amount is non-negotiable and directly tied to his earnings. Mr. Daniels accepts the decision, though he looks concerned about balancing his own expenses with supporting his child. The judge closes the case with a little humor, joking about finding him a good mother for his child. But the overall message is serious. This ruling ensures the child's financial needs will be met, and Mr. Daniels walks away knowing he did the right thing. The judge's final comments underline the importance of financial and emotional responsibility in co-parenting.
The episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself on child support.
Now, let's look at this from a legal perspective. This case is unique because Mr. Daniels voluntarily put himself on child support, something that's rare but highly admirable. The lawyer explains that doing this can prevent problems like back payments and guarantees. The child's needs are supported right from the start. It's a strong reminder that child support isn't just a legal duty, it's about taking true responsibility for your child's well-being. The video ends with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their own stories and subscribe for more insights. This case perfectly shows how the court focuses on the child's best interests, even when one parent is absent. The educational part drives home the importance of proactive parenting and understanding the legal system to protect your child's future.